everyone! It's Mommy Ara and this is my daughter Yana.
Hi.
Yes. Babe, basig ang uban, wala pa nakaila sa imo ha. Let me introduce you, okay? I will tell something about you ha. I have a list here on mga favorite na ko facts about Yana. Okay. Number 1, of course, she likes eating vegetables and some fruits. She's a sweet girl. She likes giving me flowers, cards, hugs, and kisses. Oh. I still breastfeed her even though she is already 6 years old. O, diba? She likes cheese. Oh my God, favorite kayo niya ang cheese. All forms of cheese. Kan bisag unsa mga kanang mga anything basta cheese gani kay ganahan kay na siya na. And kanipod, amazing, brave kayo siya. She is not afraid of cockroaches and rats. Dili dyan na siya mahadlok, guys. Dili na siya musyagit. Pag makakita siya og ka ng mga cockroach, dili na siya mo syagit. She hates unicorns and rainbows. Dili dyan na siya ganahan. Kanang maamoy mo siya sa kuwa, mami, uy, kapangit ana, mami, uy. Di ba, be? Maupangit ana, mami, uy. Dili siya ganahan og ingon ana. And then, she likes Blackpink and Taylor Swift. Ay, one na iyahang favorite. Kung mamino siya music, makabalo dayon siya kung Blackpink or Taylor Swift. She likes going out on a date with me and eat potato corner. Yes, ate na?
Yeah.
Pero kani guys, I want you to know, uso kayo ang Roblox, pero dili na siya kabalo magdula og Roblox.
I know.
Dili na siya kabalo magdula og Roblox. Kay kanang kuan. Dili na siya kabalo magdulag Roblox. Di ba? Yes? Dili siya kabalo magdulag Roblox. And lastly, ganahan na siya mag-travel. She's been to Australia. Nakaato na siya Australia. Yes. Why are you laughing? Ganina pa kasi gilaw. Why man?
It's wrong.
It's wrong? Ha? Asa dito ang wrong?
Everything.
Everything? Oh, are you sure?
Yeah.
I'm telling the truth. Di
Bro,
ba?
you're not.
What?
You're not.
I'm not.
Bro, tell the real truth.
Asa di ay ang real? Wait, asa di ay ang real? Ang truth ato. Asa di ang mali dito?
Everything.
Am I lying to them?
Yeah.
Oh, is that considered as a lie?
Yeah.
Oh, but sige, we will talk about it. But now, naata food diri in front ha. Kanang these are your favorites, ha? Favorites mo na be?
Oh.
Gulay. What is your favorite gulay?
Carrots and something.
And
Carrots and
something gulay lang something.
Carrots and
Broccoli.
broccoli.
Pero mahal man ang broccoli,
Cabbage.
Cabbage.
Plus it. Also, my fruit is strawberry,
Oh.
grape,
Oh,
like that.
mango.
Mango.
Yeah. Sige, let's go back dito sa ato ang topic. Ikaw, nakalay na ka kay mommy? Have you lied to mommy na?
Yeah.
Oh, what was that? What you want here? Chapsuy?
I want chop suey.
Okra? Okay, chapsuy. Kabalo ka asa ni nga food?
Tenong.
Ano?
Wait,
What?
mommy, not this one.
Dili ka ganahan. Siya nabaliktad, dili siya ganahan kaayo og meat. Mas makagulay siya kaysa sa meat. Okay. Ate, unsa tong lay? Ala, naglay day ka kay mommy before? Unsa man tay mong
Not
nalay?
before, I think.
Unsa man?
Now lang ko naglay, I think.
About?
No,
Asa mo kuno ato ba?
that there was something on my chair over here, and then I said it's nothing, but it's actually not nothing.
Pero kanang kunang tahay katong sa school, mga nahitabo sa school. Naabay one time nga naglay ka kay mommy, nag-ask si mommy, and then gilay na lang nimo kay masuko si mommy.
Wala.
Wala. Nga naman,
Wala lang.
never pa jud ka nakalay, te.
Like that. Wala.
Honest jud ka kay mommy. Nganong dapat honest man ang mga tao, te?
Because they will they will, because Jesus knows if you're lying or not. Because Jesus can see you everywhere you are at. When you are like lying or doing something bad, like that.
Nya, kung maglay ang bata, what will happen dahil to Jesus?
I-transfer ka sa hell, dili sa heaven.
Ikaw, gusto ka sa, asa mo ka gusto? Hell or heaven?
Heaven.
Ano man?
Because naa si Jesus dito. Nya sa hell naa si devil.
So, munang dili ka nagalay kay sa mga parents.
Yes.
And to everyone. Ganina, si Mami. Naglay si Mami ganina.
Yes. Why are you lying?
Sorry.
It's okay.
It's okay. You want us to correct them?
Yes.
I mean, to correct
But you have something.
What? Sige,
A
it's a
valuable lesson.
Okay, valuable lesson. What man? Sige, you tell Mommy some lesson while eating. Eat sa ikaw.
What lesson would you like?
About lying.
Math?
About lying. You want to be a teacher?
Yes.
Okay, sige.
I am teacher
But for
Yana.
now, ang ato ang lesson sa is about being honest. Okay, teach me. Why do we need to be honest? Ngano to bad tong gibuhat ni Mommy ganina? Mahulog ka.
Because you weren't honest. You were bad because you weren't honest. Now can you show them the true story to me?
Na-shy food ka ganina nga nag-like ko.
No.
How did you feel nga nag-like ko ganina?
No, kuan ko. Hello.
Wala na to nagkaon, B.
I think I just think that I broke Mommy.
You broke me? What do you mean?
Like I broke you. Like you know it that it is lying, but you really want to lie already.
Daganda ay kayot. Oh, may water.
Okay, I'm okay.
Daganda ay kayot to lies. Isulti ni Mami ganina. Sige, drink sa water. Sige, unsang pinaka-lie na nasulti ni Mami ganina?
That I hate unicorns and rainbows. I actually like it. But that Blackpink and Taylor Swift was correct.
Correct
I
ka siya.
also like Ariana Grande.
No? Ariana Grande?
Yeah.
Okay, so, dili day to mao guys. Wrong di ay to akong gisulti ganina. Ganahan di ay siya og kuan unicorns. And
Also, I hate cheese.
you hate cheese. Pero vegetables,
I'm
you
gonna
like.
vomit when I eat cheese.
Ano man? Na-try day kagkaon ng cheese dati.
Yeah. The
Pero kabalo
smell
ka,
is so...
Pero kabalo ka te, ang cheese kay kuan pud na kanang rich in calcium.
Yes, but the smell of it is...
No, it's good for your bones ang cheese. But dili lang jud ka ganahan sa lasa. Ginapugos ka ni Mami magkaon sa mga dili ganahan.
What's this?
Force. Am I forcing you to eat food that you don't like?
Nope.
Nope.
Some food is I like.
Like what? Example.
Like, tender juicy. You give me tender juicy.
And
Like yummy food good for me. Let's eat.
Let's eat gani. Sorry.
Daghan ko kaayo og
Gusto
mga
ko dungagan pa ta ka? Unsa man imong gusto pa din na?
Carrots.
Gulay. Carrots. Wala man. Ay naa cauliflower te.
I want cauliflower. I want cauliflower.
Okay po. Te, if maglay si Mami sa imo ha, for example, kanang moingon si Mami, dili man ko mulakaw pero naglakaw di ay si Mami, how do you feel about it?
I'm just gonna video call you and then I will say, Mommy, you lie. You went out.
Ay kani di ay. Kinsa imong favorite parent? Do you have a favorite parent?
No. Both lang ako ang kuan love sa imo habot. Ang ani lang. Dahil in ani lang
Equal.
pod.
But what do you love about Daddy? Can I have it?
Yes. Let me play Roblox.
So, live po to akong gisulti ganina. Nga, dili ka ganahag Roblox. But the
I
truth
love
is,
Roblox. The truth is, I love Roblox. I really love it. Did you know that I found something very, very interesting in Roblox? I found my own job.
Job?
Yes,
Sa man
in
nga job?
Roblox. Now I have 2 jobs.
Sa may mong job sa Roblox?
Making balloony and
Balloons?
no,
Say
making balloony ba? Like a round circle that is pink. Making balloony and then putting the balloony inside the truck. That is my favorite game.
Pwede din mag-ingana dito.
Yes.
Is it too big?
I'm gonna show it to you later.
Okay.
You also vlog me when I play it, okay?
I-vlog po na to imong pagdula og Roblox.
Yes. For the very first I play it, I was nervous. What should I do? But at second, I knew that I should make balloony and put stove in the oven, and then sell the balloony on the truck.
Bate, I have something to tell you about playing Roblox.
What?
And using gadget.
What?
You know it. Too much gadget is not good for kids.
Yeah, why?
Because your eyes madamage, and then ang imong gina-play sa Roblox, too much exposure, ang imong
What's
brain, small
exposure?
pa man imong brain.
What's exposure?
Exposure ba ka ng imuhang pag-interact nimo sa imuhang gadget, sa imong ka-playmate online? Ingon ana, kay dili man mausahay makontrol ni mami kinsa imong kastorya di online.
Basi,
Diba sa Roblox online siya na ang mga live players pod.
yeah? Naman pud ko not online na game. It is Avatar World. That's
But-
my favorite game.
But still, gadget siya te.
Yeah, I know.
Masad ka pagka na ipastop ka ni mami mag-gadget?
Di man.
Dili. Naunsa lang ka. Unsa lang imong gina-think pag ipastop ni mami ang gadget?
Na ay lobat naman pud ni
So, ang lubat na lang ang makasave. Pag usahay, wala pa na lubat niya. Mayroon si mami na. O yan na, stop na na yan na. Ya
magkuan.
kanang at the height of po anak ka, kanang gwapo na kaayo ang dula. I want you to eat kangkong.
No,
No,
it's okay.
you know, naka-eat kag kangkong tong nag-cook si mami kangkong sa house. Forgot na nimo.
No. But
Try.
I like it.
Try daw.
Man.
Try it.
Ami man pud. Ami man pud.
Lami man po. Oh, so, you need to finish this, ha? Ate, how do you feel pag ipastop ni mami nga wala pa na lobat and then ka nang in the middle of ko anak ka, playing? Maangry ka kay mami, anak. Naga-cry ka ba ya?
Try lang ko.
Kay?
Yeah.
Ano man?
Because gwapo na dito kaayo akong score and level and play. So, layo na to kaayo akong stud base. Na ma-reset ang timer when I leave. Mo na mag-cry ko.
Kanite, pag mag-cry ka, di ba maangry si mami? So, maangry po ka kay mami? Pag
No.
maangry si mami?
No.
Masa lang?
I don't know how to be angry at a parent.
Naman. Mahadlok di ka maangry sa parent.
Yeah.
Dili na good.
Dili na good. Really, dili na good.
Kay, ano naman? Nganong bad man mag-angry sa parent?
Because mas maangry ang parents sa imuha anya ang madness sa parents mag-pop.
Mag-pop ang
Madness.
madness. So, what will happen pag ingon ana? So, mas maangry si mami, ana? Nga mo sa di si mami pag maangry. Bad kay si mami pag maangry, no?
Di man.
Unsa tong time 10 na ka nang super angry gid si mami sa imuha na ka ma-remember?
I have two ones.
Oh.
Katong kuan, nag-gadget ko sa very morning without breakfast or anything. Gadget lang diretso. Anya.
Yeah.
Also, nagpupo ko sa ako ang panty kuan na nawala ko nagtell.
Sorry. Pero you understood that time kung anong na-angry si Mami.
Yeah.
Yes. Pag ma-angry si Mami, quick ka ikaw mag-say sorry, no?
Oh. Also, one time wala pud ko nag-cry. Also, katong pupo, wala pud ko nag-cry atong pupo sa panty ko. Wala ko nag-cry ato.
Normal lang man na, ba't si Mami, nga nung maanggi man si Mami, eh? Normal lang man sa bata, no? Pero naanggi lang si Mami. Like, is Mami a bad mommy?
No. You just cannot handle your anger.
So what
Like
should I
that
do next time?
Just next time, handle your anger.
How?
You can just say, Yana, stop that na. And then if I don't say okay, I will say no. Just say please. And then maybe I will stop na like that.
But sometimes you're not listening to Mommy.
Then I will say fine, okay.
But really, I'm sorry if sometimes si Mommy gets really angry at you, okay? Okay? But I hope you understand that Mommy sometimes needs to balance na maging kanang strict mom.
Why strict mom?
Strict kay if always lang buutan si Mommy. So ikaw, sige lang ka mapagbigyan and then mag-grow ka na. Pag mag-grow na ka, old adult na ka, kuan na ka nang maunsa ka, everything you want, sige na lang di ay hatag. It's not good man po, di ba?
But yeah, like they say, bad siya. Like they say, dili siya maglinaw kang granny. Kuan. And then pag grow niya, 20 plus na siya, kuan, dili pa na siya mag-listen.
So, si Tete, ako ang brother. So, giyang gilibak, ron ako ang brother. Hala ka, nag-watch ba si Tete ka ron?
Ala, oy!
Oh, kasi ko, mag-watch na siya sa YouTube ko, sa Facebook. Libak ni mo, say something to Tete.
Sorry, Tete.
But, you're just telling the truth na lang na. But
I'm just telling the truth.
But, you love Tete.
Yeah, I love Tete.
So much, Bito. No? You're such a kind girl, ate. Why are you kind?
I'm just climbing.
Si Zyler, te, pag mag-big na si Zyler, kanang kabalo na siya mag-walk, kabalo na siya mag-talk.
I'm gonna say, Taylor, let's play tag. You're it.
Kunya mag-bad siya kay Mommy. Mag-act bad siya kay Mommy. Or ikaw, basig iyaha kang awayon.
I will tell you.
And then,
Mom, why, Taylor? Why did you bully me? I'm gonna tell Mommy, huh? Mommy,
yes.
gibully ko ni Zyler. Come here.
Okay. So I will say,
Kani si Zyler.
Kana pretend Zyler, don't bully ate. Kay mo man na ate si ate Yana.
But she wants my big toy.
Dili pwede.
Okay.
Okay, so ingon ana. Nya, what if baliktad te? Pag mag-school na si Zyler ang ibuli sa iyang classmates.
Putang na ko ang bully sa principal's office. I'm gonna report it to the teacher and then I'm gonna go to the principal's office and then I'm gonna tell to the principal somebody bully my brother. That's it.
Sabi na ko ikaw mag-away sa bully. Diretso lang ni mo principal.
Because the Ten Commandments has no murder.
Oh, dili man ka mag-murder.
Because the Ten Commandments has no
Sorry,
murder.
kabalo kag murder? What is murder?
Anything that is sumbag, even wala pa nagmatay, anything that is sumbag.
Sige, ate, here's the second kangkong. Ay, is it too big?
Too big.
Too big, basig matuktan ka. Tingnan anong ganahan mo kag vegetables?
Because They are protein.
Protein? No. They are
They are healthy.
glow. Diba?
Glow?
Wala pa na sa inyo, ano? Ang go, grow, and glow. Ang kana siya, dagan na siya og vitamins and minerals. Ang kaning gulay. And it can make you healthy. Diba? Natural vitamins and minerals.
Mama,
Yes po.
I have a survey.
Survey? What?
Do
Nahulog ka. What? Do
Do
I?
I mean, are you afraid of the dark or no?
Of course, I'm afraid of the dark.
I am afraid of the dark too.
And then?
Like just a little.
Why are you afraid?
Because I cannot find anything and then maybe a monster is at my side or in front of me or at my back.
No. But you know, ate, monsters are not real. You know that? Do you know that?
Yeah, why?
They are just in our heads, in our brain.
In our mind?
In our mind. Kita lang ang hadlok sa atong sarili.
No, nabinhod naman.
Nabinhod ang tiil.
Ayaw.
Oh, dili lang sila.
Okay. Nawala na.
Wala na. Oh. Straight ang feet.
Na, nabinhod.
As I was saying, okay na yung feet?
Yeah.
As I was saying, ate, as I was saying, ate, ang fear na alang na sa mind. If you think nga ma-afraid ka, ma-afraid yun ka.
Mommy,
Mm.
how to spell binhood? How to
Ikaw daw, spell it, try.
B-I-N-H-U-D.
Binhood.
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 Okay,
Binhood.
more gulay. What gulay do you want to eat now?
Kangkong.
Okay, you eat. Oh, gano'n na yun siya sa kangkong. Ate, eat sa. And then I have something to tell you again.
Okay.
Ate, ikaw, kay mag-eat man dyan ka vegetables, ate, no?
Okay.
I have no problem sa pag-feed sa imo og vegetables kay I know you like eating vegetables and fruits. But there are other kids na let me do it.
Hate vegetables.
What? Say something in front of the camera now. Say something.
Guys.
Okay, go.
You can please eat vegetables because they are healthy. They will go on you, protect you.
But Yana, it doesn't taste good.
Please do it because something. Or else.
What are the other benefits of eating vegetables? What will happen pag dili mag-eat of vegetables ang bata?
You're not gonna be healthy.
So, maunsa man? Like?
Like, if you keep on eating junk food, na-admit ka, anak.
No, admit. And then?
Ikuan ka, putangon og needle diri sa imong vein.
Ouch.
That happened to me when I admit.
Dengue.
Yes. Kanya magpakuha og blood. Sakit yun na kaayo. I tried it. Please trust me or else if you don't trust me something, just if you believe me, then you something. You click over here if Reyes. Or if you keep here. No.
You're so
I'm
pro.
not yet done.
Ay, you're not so sorry. Okay.
Okay,
And
that's
then?
every day when you admit, they will take your blood and they will like this. But not every time like this. Just one sometime.
And then?
Because at my next admit, I didn't have any like this.
Oh.
I already got 2 admit. Na-admit na ko og
To admission.
duha.
It's okay, but that was ano man.
Guys,
that
do you
was not,
understand my Tagalog and Bisaya and English. If no.
Kung sa man na, sila i-click?
Wala sila.
Ay, wala
i-click.
i-click. Ay, wala i-click. Okay, eat na ani. Okay, ate. Now, let's have this last last question na. Ay, last.
So fun. I want more.
You want more? Okay. Sige, last na kakakuan, ate. Karon, this month is Nutrition Month.
I know.
Yes. Eating vegetables. Hatagi na lang og tips. Gagani na, nag-encourage na ka sa mga bata, sa mga kids food nga mag-eat sila vegetables. Sige, chew lang sa. It's okay. Wala pa ko naman sa question na pressure na siya. Gusto niya mawala ang food. Chew sa. Gikuan mo sila, gi-encourage mo sila how to eat. This time, hatagi na lang sila og tips. What's your secret para kanang maganahan og vegetables?
You want chocolate? Yes? Okay. Ipagpagana na lang na sa vegetables. You eat it and you eat vegetable first, and then if you don't like the taste, then eat the chocolate.
Chocolate. Actually, ginabuhat yun na niya. Kakarang pag naana siya yung food nga, dili niya ganahan.
I'm really smart.
Oh my God, sorry, Jude, kaayo guys, ha? Nakuha. Asa mo rin nakuha. But I appreciate you, Ate Yana. I appreciate you for speaking your mind. Mag-grade 1 na niya siya sunod. So, mag-eat na niya siya of lunch tayo school. So, that's it.
Fake pocket.
Fake pocket. Okay, so bye-bye na ta. Thank you so much for watching, everyone.
Bye.
Moms, sa mga mommies, encourage your children to eat vegetables and fruits.
Bye, one.
And sa mga kids,
What?
eat your
Vegetables, please, because it's so healthy. And then, if you don't like the taste, then eat something sweet first, and then eat the vegetables next.
Okay. All right. And thank you so much, Penong's Restaurant, for providing our food today. Of course, Penong's din sa Davao ang kinakusgan nga restaurant.
You eat
Hindi sa ato ang Dakbayan. They offer, it's a child-friendly. Ate, no, we like Penong's.
Yes,
Ate,
yes. You eat vegetables so you can be masiglakas.
Masiglakas. Para masiglakas. Okay.
Para masiglakas.
Ang Penong's is child-friendly, family-oriented, family-friendly restaurant because pwede ang kids. And they do not just offer yung mga sikat nila na like the inasal. They also offer vegetables na para perfect po siya sa mga bata. And naapod sila fresh fruits nga with cream nga favorite po. Yes po.
What is masiglakas?
Masigla and malakas. Yes. Thank you so much for watching, everyone.
Bye!